Hey everyone, it's Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage, and today I've got a pretty cool Track Builder Unlimited set to open up. It's the triple loop kit. Now I've had this for quite a while and I've just been busting to open it up for you guys. So today is the day. It comes with one track star car, but I've also got a couple of cars over here to open up and check out on this triple loop kit. Let's get into it. All right, so on the back, just some pictures about how you could fit it into your Hot Wheels track layout, but I'm sort of just going to use it as a one-off piece, I think. So you can see here, folds up pretty cool, so all the pieces stay together, and it's got that little easy to carry handle, which is always nice on these track sets. Now the back is the perforated rear, so once we open it, this box will pretty much be destroyed. So let's destroy the box and get this kit out. Very nice. Now, this is available in Walmart for around 25 USD. Here in Australia, it's around 40 to 50 Australian dollars at Kmart, Target, Maya. I'll put some links in the description below so you can go check it out from where you are. Now, what do we got in here? Got the instruction book. We've got a list of all the parts. And it actually sets up in 3 different ways. So we've got the triple loop jump, the daredevil jump, and the gravity drop. That gravity drop looks a bit boring, and the daredevil jump is just a jump through the middle of the loops. But for me, it's the triple loop jump. That's the pretty cool one. Not even the jump, just the triple loop. Can the cars get through the triple loop? Wow, this is a lot of clicking together. No stickers. That's a good thing, I think, no stickers. And this is sort of a picture of linking it to some other track sets. Take a look at that there. And then on the back, it's got the other track sets that it could be linked to. Very nice little sort of instructions there. Let's get it out. What do we got? I'm actually gonna need the instructions to put this together. This looks well complicated. Always handy to get more of these little joiners in the pack. Oh man, there's so many parts to this track set. Not much straight track. That's it. This is what's in the set. So that's a whole lot of stuff. I cannot forget the big loop. Let's pull this one out. Oh, again, it's really stuck in there, so we've definitely destroyed the box getting this stuff out. A couple of elastic bands. Nice. What car have we got here? Prototype H24. Oh man, please work on the track. That's all I've got to say. Like, I get really disappointed when you get a car in these track sets and they just don't work on the track. It's very disappointing. I mean, of course, you probably got other cars that you can get on the track, but when you get a car in the track, you actually want it to work. All right, so I'll put all this together and get this loop up and running. Alright, so now that we've got this triple loop kit set up, it turned out to be a much bigger set than I anticipated. I thought I was going to be able to sit down here and play with it, but that is not going to happen. This would just drown me out. It's so big. It's going to be maybe 1 meter, just over a meter, so that's like 4 and a bit feet there. That is a really big, long playset. And again, this height here is maybe like 50 centimeters, so what's that, almost 2 feet, something like that. So it's a big set. You're gonna need somewhere to store it because, I mean, you could pull it apart, but if you're pulling it apart every time you want to play with it, it's sort of gonna be a bit of a hassle. It was not that hard to put together. I guess once you know how to put it together, it will be easy to do it again and again. But I'm not sure how well the plastic will hold up if you're pulling it apart, putting it back together all the time. So now let's just take a look at this booster. It's just a simple booster, no elastic, no batteries, just, and off we go. So I'm not sure how much power we're going to get from that small booster and this little bit of track to get the cars around 3 big loops. Now, this one that I've set up has got this jump here and a bucket to try and catch the car. I don't have much hope of thinking that's gonna work, but let's load up the car that came with the track set and see how it goes. Like, just in there, pretty simple, and this is the first time I've done it. I haven't done it before. I didn't do it off camera, so let's just go. What's that? Already disappointing. Maybe I have to whack it really, really hard. Okay, really, really hard. Let me pick that up. So it does work if you hit it really, really hard. Let's do it again. Ooh. I don't want it to fly off the track. Oh, don't tell me it was a one-time only thing. Got to get it to work. Come on. Now what's up with it? Come on, I got excited for a second. Let's go. Oh, now what's the problem? What's the problem? Come on. All right, now this is getting annoying. All right, come on. There we go. Oh, almost in the bucket. Oh man, you're really gonna need to learn how to press that. I didn't actually think that would work, so that's pretty cool. All right, so I think it will take some practice to get used to this launcher here and make it work every time, because it's like too hard and it doesn't work properly, too soft and it doesn't work properly. It must be a just right amount of force, and I don't know what that is yet. Give it another go. All right, I give up with that car. So I'm gonna try some cars that I've got here. Bone Shaker, we know that's a Trackstar car. Time Shifter is a Trackstar car. Muscle Mania Roger Dodger 2.0, pretty cool Trackstar car. We've got Rig Heat, this is a bit of an old casting. What's this, 2015. That's out of my back stock of Hot Wheels, that one. And Monty Racer. Monty Racer is also a Trackstar car. So let's open these babies and see how they work on this track. All right, let's load up the Monty Racer. Yeah, not too bad. This car is actually, the one that came with the set is a die-cast top and a plastic bottom, and this Trackstar car is a plastic top and a die-cast bottom. So a little bit better on the track. Come on. There. Oh, there we go. Ooh, just short. All right, let's check out Roger Dodger. Load him up. This one's probably a little bit too heavy. Man, if you hit that too hard, you're gonna break something. It's like this track is not on straight and the cars are hitting the posts here. There we go. That's not bad. Not bad, Roger Dodger. All right, let's get a Time Shifter. I really like this. I really like Time Shifter. It's a pretty cool car, and it's a pizza delivery car in the Metro series that I've just opened. Oh, come on. Oh, we can't even get around that first loop. Let's go again. Oh, almost. Give it another couple of goes and then that's... Must have heard, because he's doing better. No, that's it. Giving up. Giving up there. Now we've got rig heat. This is a sort of truck version of a Hot Wheels, and I do like this casting. Not sure if it's going to work here on this track. Yeah, it won't even fit in the booster. That's a little bit disappointing, to be honest, because this is a pretty cool car, and you know, being a track star, you sort of want it to work on most of their tracks, but yeah, he's not going to work. He's just not getting enough kick out of that booster. All right, now let's open the Bone Shaker. I think this one's going to be pretty good. I've got my fingers crossed. Ooh, not bad, not bad. There we go. Ooh, come on. I'm stuck on the track. It's almost like a challenge yourself. How many cars can you get to work on this track? I mean, if you just pick this track up and you've got your cars at home and try to get it to work, I'd probably be pretty disappointed that it takes so long to learn how this booster here works. Yeah, I'm gonna say not enough cars go around. You know what would probably be better if this was sort of on a bigger track and with a booster that I use on my test track, and fling the car through the booster, give it a bit more stable power into the loop, because this one, it's not good. I know keeping costs down with non-electric boosters is good, but you actually want the set to work with the pieces that come in it, and yeah, that booster is just not powerful enough, I don't think. Or it's too hard to measure the power that you're putting into it. All right, so the car that came with it is gotten the bucket a few times now. So that's all right. I take everything back that I just said about it not working properly. The car that came with it is working pretty good. So, you know, I actually think it's a really cool track set. Any little kid is going to be really excited to get this one. It's so big, it's so colorful. I'm a big kid and I was pretty excited to get one. So yeah, for me, it's a big thumbs up on the triple loop kit. So don't forget, smash a big thumbs up on this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Go down below, I've got links to a Facebook. Come and join the community over there. That would be really awesome. All right, everyone, thanks for watching.